I got a question. Do you think dinosaurs used to sneeze?
Never fear, your friendly dinosaur lady is here. So, did dinosaurs sneeze? I think the answer is yes, they very likely did sneeze. And that's because many animals alive today do sneeze in order to get irritants out of their system, including the two closest living relatives of extinct dinosaurs. So, birds and crocodiles and alligators, crocodilians. So, because their two closest living relatives sneeze, it's very, very likely that dinosaurs also would have sneezed. Now, depending on how you define a sneeze, it's been around for a pretty long time. Sponges, which are some of the simplest animals, some of the first animals to have ever evolved, are thought to do something that's kind of like a sneeze, where they squeeze their bodies to expel water quickly to try and get irritants out of their system. So if you consider that a sneeze, that means sneezing has been around for over 600 million years. So over 500 million years, animals have been sneezing. So the next time you have to sneeze, don't excuse yourself, because you're just following in a long tradition that's over 500 million years old. Come to think of it, because dinosaurs sneeze, maybe that one part of Jurassic Park where the Brachiosaurus sneezes all over them in the tree is one of the few things that it remains scientifically accurate.